In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion as a content creator. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use system to plan, schedule, and track your social media posts with ease. First, open the Notion website in your browser. If you've used Notion before, this will feel familiar, and if you're new, don't worry, I'll keep things simple. Once you're on the site, look for the Marketplace, sometimes referred to as the Template Gallery. This is where Notion collects ready-made setups created to save you time. Inside the Marketplace, go to the search bar and type Social Media Content Planner. This specific template is designed for creators who want a clear overview of ideas, drafts, and publishing schedules. When it appears in the results, click it to open the template page, then click Add. Notion will add the planner to your workspace instantly, so you can start using it without building anything from scratch. Now that it's added, it's time to make it yours. Begin by renaming the main page to reflect your brand or channel. Open the database and scan the properties. It typically includes fields like status, platform, publish date, and content type. Customize these to match your workflow. For example, edit platform options to the channels you actually use, like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or LinkedIn. Adjust the status options so they reflect your process, such as idea, drafting, ready, scheduled, and published. Switch to the calendar or timeline view and make sure the date property matches your published schedule. This gives you a clear visual of what's going out and when. If there's a Kanban or board view, organize it by status to easily drag posts through your pipeline. Add a property for content pillars like education, entertainment, behind the scenes, so your feed stays balanced. You can also include a link property for assets or scripts and a checkbox for tasks like thumbnail done or captions added. Create a simple post template inside the database with a structure you'll reuse, such as a briefing section, hooks, hashtags, and a checklist. Duplicating this will speed up planning for each new post. Add a few sample entries to see how your system feels, then tweak views and filters to focus on what matters this week. Finally, keep everything clean and consistent. Color code tags, archive old ideas, and review your schedule weekly. With the Social Media Content Planner in Notion set up and customized, you'll have a reliable hub to plan smarter, create faster, and publish with confidence.